Welcome to Circuit Z. Today, we're diving into the art of photography. Got an iPhone? Perfect. Because in this video, we'll share simple techniques to help you take artistic photos that are Instagram-worthy. From composition to editing, here are the steps you need. Step 1. Master your composition. Composition is everything in photography. Open your camera app, head to Settings, and enable the grid feature. The grid uses the rule of thirds, which divides your screen into 9 sections. Position your subject along these lines or at intersections for a balanced artistic look. Next up, experiment with angles. Don't just snap from eye level. Try getting low to the ground for a dramatic perspective, or shoot from above for a unique bird's eye view. Changing angles makes your photos more dynamic and can highlight interesting details that might go unnoticed. Tip 3. Control the exposure. iPhones let you manually adjust exposure, which is the brightness of your photo. Tap on your subject and you'll see a sun icon. Slide your finger up or down to make the photo brighter or darker. This gives you creative control, especially in tricky lighting situations. Step 4. Use portrait mode for depth. iPhones have an amazing portrait mode that creates a blurred background effect, or bokeh. This helps your subject pop by adding depth and a professional feel. It works best with people, pets, or objects at a moderate distance. For an artistic touch, try exploring filters and black and white. Switching to black and white can bring out shapes, textures, and emotions in your shot that color might distract from. You can find filters directly in the camera app or experiment in the Photos app after you take your shot. Lastly, fine-tune with editing. The iPhone Photos app has built-in tools that can take your photos to the next level. Try adjusting the brightness, contrast, sharpness, and warmth to get the perfect look. Remember, a small edit can make a big difference. And there you have it. With these easy steps, you can turn ordinary iPhone shots into artistic photos that stand out. Practice, experiment, and don't be afraid to get creative. If you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe to Circuit Z for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and happy shooting.